Welcome everybody. It is Crypto Moose, and we're gonna get loose. Mitchell Bouchard, your crypto and NFT investor. Thank you all so much for tuning in once again. What we're gonna do on today's episode is we are going to go over Cornucopias. We're gonna do a quick price update, and I'm gonna give you my thoughts on where I think we're at currently. So today we're Thursday, December 14th, 2023. I'm posting this video pretty late. So most of you are watching this video on a Friday, but that's okay. We got to get some content out anyways. And by the way, if you guys do like these videos, definitely smash the like button. Also subscribe. That's the one way you can help us out here on the channel. So we got quite a bit coming. This weekend, I'm going to be recording 5 more videos. That is going to include the Keystone 3 Pro. They just sent me a hardware wallet. I believe they're trying to get more Cardano-based users on board. So they're like, would you like to review this wallet? I'm like, absolutely. I'm always down to get loose with the hardware wallet. So comment down below. Do you have a hardware wallet or not? Okay, so we have that out of the way. Let's focus our attention on Cornucopias. So we're going to share the screen. And as we usually do, we typically go over coin market cap. We're going to do a quick update. And we're going to get into Cornucopia's price. So right now, the market's doing quite well. We were down just a bit ago. I'm talking short term. And now we're starting to climb back up. Bitcoin kind of fluctuating, but also, you know, really getting, really staying strong above 40,000 here. So if we look on the month, we're up huge. Year, we're up 140%. So still good there. But if we go to the day, we've been kind of up and down, and even on the week, I would say we've been up and down. I thought perhaps we would go really low down here, but we keep bouncing off of, 40,000. So again, I'm not a technical analysis, but I have been in the market for quite a while. And right now, sentiment's good. Perhaps we've hit our bottoms, our lows. I know we have perhaps with ADA. I don't see ADA going back to 25 cents again. I just don't see it happening. Although it could, you never know. Stranger things have happened. So if we take a look at ADA, we're just going to skip over XRP and everything else. Not that I don't like it. I like Solana. Should have held longer. That's a whole other story. With ADA, though, ADA's been pumping. If you look at the week, in the month, tremendous, right? Like incredible. So 7-day, we're up 40%. 1 month, 80%. And it's basically doing what Bitcoin's doing. And typically, what's really weird with this cycle is that typically you'll have money flow into Bitcoin, and then the rest of the alts like Cardano, your other layer ones, they begin to rise. But in this instance, that's not happening. In fact, we're seeing things happen in a weird order. Like Solana was pumping, I would argue, a lot more than what Bitcoin was doing just not that long ago. So, Solana pumped from, what was it, like, let's say 10, 12 bucks to 40. Then from 40 to 60, ADA has been doing really well as well. So that's really cool. Nice to see. So let's get right into COPI. We're not going to talk about much else other than Cornucopias. So we're going to go over COPI. We're also going to talk about gaming as a whole. So I've been paying attention to it, and I guess I'm struggling to type today. I swear, I'm just drinking juice here. So I don't know what's going on. Cornucopias. There we go. COPI. So all-time highs, right? 84 million in market cap. Guys, we've been talking about this for quite a while, and I will put up the channel, the YouTube, so you guys can kind of take a look here. But we've been talking about COPI for a long time. In fact, we could argue that this was one of the first channels that was really talking about a 100x COPI, and that's no joke. We've already done a 10x. I believe we have another 10x to go. So from a penny, we are most likely going to hit $1. So if you want, go to the channel, type in COPI, and watch these videos. So months and months ago, it's just really cool to see that. Also, subscribe. Check out the other content. Add comments. I like seeing the comments. It's really cool to get back to you all. I'm the one responding, so at least this point in time. Could change in the future. We'll see. So on the day, we're up 1%, not moving too much, but on the week, we're doing good, 20%. Actually, if you would have just held on to ADA, you would have done even better. at least on the 1 week, right? Because ADA's up, whatever it is. Maybe it's even the month. No, on the month, COPI's crushing. COPI's crushing it. But there was a little 1 week period where ADA wasn't even doing as good as, sorry, COPI wasn't doing as good as ADA. So Cardano's been strong. It's been nice to see. But again, we're at such a low market cap. And there's so many gaming projects that look half as good, if that, of Cornucopias that are already on a centralized exchange, that already have a lot of attention. They have the Ethereum users. They're more established because Cornucopias is somewhat new, right? The game's not really out yet. They're kind of just developing things now. But the point being, and we're going to get into the charts here, is that in the numbers, but Cornucopias has a long ways to go. It really does. And as you can see here, not chain agnostic. I keep saying it, but you can pick up COPI through the BNB Smart Chain, ADA, and ETH. So what we're going to do now is we're going to go to gaming. And gaming's at what? 19, is that million? I keep getting these numbers crazy. I think, yeah, it's 19. Is that million or billion? Whatever. It's at 19.9. It was just at 20 mil or 20 bill. No, that is billion. It's weird to think of these numbers. It's billion, of course. Yeah, obviously. So 19 billion. It looks like Beam and Render and Immutable X. Those are taking. You got to remember, like there is the the Pareto distribution, right? Like you can think about it this way: those that have everything will be given. Those that have nothing, everything will be taken. Right? When someone's poor, they're always poor. When someone has everything, they can leverage that now. So the point being is that when you're a good quality project, you eat up a lot of the market, right? You think about Austin Matthews in the NHL. He gets the majority of the Leafs goals, the top players. Shohei Ohtani, right? He gets the most strikeouts. He gets a a much larger amount than the average player. Let's say the average player hits 10 home runs. He'll hit 40 or 50. So there's always that distribution where those at the top get, 50%, 80% of the market, whatever it is. So even if you look at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, the top 6 projects have half of the market cap, right? That's what, let's call it 3, 5, 5.5, so 6.5. Like that's 9. That's right here, the top from Illuvium all the way to Immutable X. That has half of the market cap. And then the rest have like a little bit, or 80 mil. So Cornucopias, I think it's that good that it could really go. But the point being is that you want to find the right projects. Not telling you to pick up COPI. Comment down in the comment section. Ask your questions. Let me know, how much COPI do you have? And is the moose loose? I got to remember to get loose. And we're 126 days from halving. Woo! Baby. Looking good. Looking good. So that's all we really have. I don't want to cover anything else, but at the end of the day, Cornucopias, just from a simple moose math standpoint, we've got a long ways to go. And, it's very obvious to me that this game that looks so good, we'll go to the website. It looks amazing. And, they have great assets. They have the land. I'm probably not even going to play because I'm a Mac guy. We're going to decline. But yeah, check out the websites, go to Cornucopias, do your own research, right? Okay, so we're going to end this December 14, 15. So we're a week away from the NFT drop. Guys, go to the link tree, click on the Loose Moose NFT collection, because in 6 days, 14 hours, probably less now, you can mint a Loose Moose NFT that will give you access to giveaways. So for example, a company just sent me a hardware wallet. This is something that I will give away to subscribers that have a Loose Moose NFT. You will all be the ones who are holding a Loose Moose NFT. You have the chance to win giveaways, to win airdrops, we have a lot of things coming. We have a lot of things, but I just want to remind you all, it is on some calendars. It's not on JPEG Store, but definitely check that out. Also, if you do not have a hardware wallet, okay, use these links. You can save up to 25% off, okay? So definitely use that. And we also have online courses. We have a free Cardano mini course. This is free. It comes with the workbook. Put in your email, get the free Cardano mini course. And also we have 5 other courses, NFTs, stuff like that. You cannot have a phone call with me or sit one-on-one with me and get this information taught to you in this kind of manner. At your computer, you will learn so much. That's why I built it. Like it's when if I get in a car accident tomorrow, I have a bit of a legacy. I'm still making an impact. So that's the idea. So with that being said, the moose is loose. He's dreaming about COPI. He's reaching out to Margot Robbie, trying to get him on the bubble jet. So we'll see you all in the next one.